Hi everyone, thanks for checking out my channel. So for today, we're gonna do this holiday makeup look. I tried to copy this makeup look from a luxury brand, MakeUp. So there, I'll insert the photo here. If you love affordable makeup, feel free to subscribe to my channel. Most of the times I use, of course, affordable makeup, and I do makeup reviews and things like that. So if you're interested, feel free to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so that you'll be informed every time I upload a new
Sorry, I
video.
had to do a voiceover because it's so noisy here, but I'll be talking again in a bit. I've already moisturized my face, applied eye cream and lip balm on my lips. So let's start off with my eyebrows. I'm using NICEFACE eyebrow gel, which I bought from QIBEST. So this eyebrow gel helps my eyebrows to be tamed, and it makes my eyebrows look fuller. I'll just speed things up a little bit, okay? So I'm just doing the other eyebrow. Alright, so we're done with our eyebrows. So I'm using issy&co concealer in light warm number 1. I know I'm not supposed to use a concealer to prime my eyelids. However, I just wanna make use of what I already have. So there. Alright, so my eyelids are already primed. Let's go ahead and put eyeshadow on. I'm using POPFEEL in Echo there. So I'm using my small Anklets eyeshadow brush. I'm just tapping it all over my eyelid. By the way, for my nails, I've used HBC nail polish in ruby red. This nail polish seemed to look like orangey, but it's actually bloody red in person. I'm gonna speed up things a little bit again. Next step is I'm using Kiss SUZY eyeshadow pencil. I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush for this particular product. Because I tried to use this before, I applied it directly to my eyelids, but it seemed to be really patchy. So now we're gonna do the eyeliner. I'm using Charlotte eyeliner. It's not Charlotte Tilbury, okay? Just Charlotte. I bought this in Metro, but you can also find this in 7-Eleven. This affordable eyeliner is really smudge proof, promise. I'm doing my best to apply the eyeliner in my lash line. So we're done with the eyeliner. So next step, I'm gonna be using the same POPFEEL eyeshadow palette and take in the gray one and extend the lash line that I initially drew. With the same POPFEEL eyeshadow palette, I'm combining gray and brown. So I'm just putting it on the outer V part of my eye and just blend it. I'm not gonna be packing too much colors. I'll just be adding colors gradually until I'm satisfied with the color that I'm showing on my eyes. So just gonna be reapplying my Charlotte black eyeliner.
I've done doing my eyeshadow. I apologize about that because it's kind of noisy here. We'll do the eyebrows in a bit, but first I want to do my foundation. So I'm gonna use QIBEST foundation. I'll just put a minimal amount of foundation there, and then if I feel that I need more, I'll just add more. So I think I need more foundation, so let me just add a little bit more. So I can still see my pimple marks and veins here, but we're gonna cover that with concealer later. So there's the difference with foundation and without foundation. So I'll just do the other half of my face and I'll be back. Alright, so we're done with the foundation. There. Next step is a concealer. I'm gonna use my favorite IMAGIC. There, so I'll just put 2 dots here. I'm not loving this brush, so I'll just use my finger instead. I'll just add one more dot. I'll just use a different brush. There's a huge difference between my two under eye circles, right? So let me just do the other eye. Alright, so I've done doing my concealer on my other eye. Let's now go ahead and do our contour. So I'm gonna use QIBEST dark sheen. So I'll just apply it with my finger first and blend it with the brush because I don't want to go overboard with the contour. So let's do this side first. There. Now it looks muddy, but I will fix that. So I think I applied too much on this on my forehead. So let's just blend that out, because I want my forehead to be narrowed. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm putting a little bit contour here as well. And then to fix things, I'm gonna use the same foundation brush and just blend that. So there, let's compare this side. It looks muddy on my camera, but in real life, I think it's blended perfectly. So let me just fix that. Okay, so here's the contoured side of my face. And this is the chubby cheek part there. There's a big difference, right? I'll just do the other side of my face. Alright, so I've done contouring my other cheek and my nose. Let's now proceed with the blush. I'll use e.l.f. Cream blush. I'm gonna combine the two colors. If you haven't tried this, this is really pigmented and it actually lasts like 8 hours. So, oops, I think I put too much. Alright, so I'll just put a powder, a little bit powder on my forehead, my nose. I'll prioritize the nose first. the mustache area in my chin. By the way, I'm using SHEGLAM powder. A little bit here, but not exactly on the under eye area, but just a little bit. You know, just to set my concealer. Alright, so we're actually almost done with this makeup look. Let me just spray my face with this. So I'll use Lux Organics Beauty Mist by Anne Klutz. There. So while we're waiting for that to dry, I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna use IMAGIC lip liner. It's actually a part of the set. So I'm not gonna overline my lips. I'll just follow the natural shape of my lips. Alright, so I've already lined my lips, and the lipstick that I'm gonna use is a matte one, HANDAIYAN. It looks orangey on my camera, but it's really color red. That's weird. It looks orangey. But anyway, that's it. It's really color red in person. Okay, so we'll continue the eyes. I'll just apply eyeliner. It's the same eyeliner that I'm gonna use, Charlotte. So I'll just put eyeliner on my waterline. Alright, so there I already applied the eyeliner on my waterline and smudge it with an eyeliner brush. So I feel like crying. We're almost done. Let me just put this highlighter slash eyeshadow from QIBEST here in the inner corner. It's weird because when I bought this, I remembered it was in the ad that it was a highlighter. But when I got the package, the box shows that it was an eyeshadow. So there. And then let me put highlighter on my cheeks before I forget again. I'm gonna use e.l.f. Baked Highlighter. You know, this highlighter can actually last like 7 to 8 hours. There, so it just looks natural on me. Oh, by the way, the highlighter that I used for my nose would be the QIBEST one. Okay, last two products. So for my, of course, my eyebrows are already set. I'll just use the SHEGLAM eyeliner that I have. Oh, I mean eyebrow product that I have. I'll use the ink side of the product. So I'll just draw hair-like strokes. So there, I'll just do my other eyebrow. Alright, so I've done doing my eyebrows. Okay, so I'll just curl my eyelashes and put 2 coats of mascara. I'll be using QIBEST mascara. I'll be back. There, I've done applying mascara on my eyelashes. Oh, I'm sorry. By the way, I forgot. I also used QIBEST lip gloss to make our lipstick glossy because the lipstick that I use is a matte one. So here's our finished look. I apologize if the lipstick looks like orange and video, but this is really red. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be informed or notified if I had a new video. So thank you. Happy holidays. Bye.